How to log into Hawaiian Airlines Credit Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Hawaiian Airlines Credit Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up a web browser and search for Hawaiian Airlines Credit Card. After you do that, you'll find different websites available. So what you can do here is you can head over to the Barclays website, this one right here. And you can head over here, or you'll also find your account login by Hawaiian Airlines themselves. So you can open that website up as well. So under this website that we first opened, you can head over here and sign in using your username and then your password. After that, tap on login and you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is. And the same goes for the Hawaiian Airlines. So the page is not loading for some reason, but there we go. Now just type in your email address, your password, and tap on sign in. And you'll get logged in at here as well. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you log in into your Hawaiian Airlines credit card. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.